Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I don't often show this part of my yard. This is my backyard. You usually see this side, which has my garden all the way up there and swing set and little playhouse. Anyway, this is a fire pit I just built, and all I did was I went to Lowe's. I bought 16 stones. I put them around. I saw I needed 2 more for the bottom row. So today I came back and bought 20 more. So that's 18 on the bottom, 18 on the top. I laid them myself, got a lot of exercise, and you can do it too if you want to build a fire pit. That's all, folks. Thank you very much. We're so looking forward to having campfires and bonfires, and I'm planning on getting some free logs from Facebook Marketplace and putting them as seating around. Do you like it, Esther?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Well, actually,
Bye.
Mommy.
Do you like the fire pit, Joshy?
No, look. What happened to the fire?
Do you want to have a fire in there?
Yeah.
Okay.